the road with me. But I'll tell you a couple things. Number one, I am currently working as a deputy district attorney in the Orange County DA's office prosecuting fraud cases, primarily real estate fraud. One of my great pleasures in that job is the opportunity I've had to work with the great professionals of the Orange County Association of Realtors, which is why I'm so honored to have as much support as I've received from that organization. To have Wayne here as a host, they've helped with my campaign. They've been enormously supportive. And Orange County's economy is based so much on real estate, and having this 15,000 group of amazing professionals here managing our real estate market and making sure that we weather the ups and the downs of the economy. What a great advantage we have here in Orange County to have such a great association. I've been working in the Orange County DA's office for coming up on 5 years, and it's been a great privilege to do that because I get the opportunity to help victims of crime get restitution, get justice, and know that they're not fighting their fight alone. I'm honored. My boss is somewhere around here, Bruce Moore, and the office has just been enormously supportive of me, and I'm honored to be able to call myself a deputy DA. But before I did that, I spent 20-something years doing civil litigation and real estate litigation and business litigation. So I have a unique mix of experience that you don't often see in a judge candidate. I'd like to tell you all about all of my endorsements, but frankly, it'll take a long time because I've worked very hard and I've got wonderful endorsements. But I'll tell you about one group in particular that I think will resonate well, and that is over 50 of the Orange County judges have endorsed me. Judges don't do things lightly, and that support to me is so incredibly meaningful and helpful. Just to let you know the kind of lawyer I am, that I've gotten that kind of support is great. There are 3 people in my race. It's a county-wide election. I will be, if you live in Orange County, I'll be on your ballot on June 7th. With 3 people in the race, it's an uphill battle simply because I need to get 50% plus 1, and mathematically with 3, that's harder. But I like challenges. I became the world's oldest rookie DA at 49, so I'm up for the challenge. But I need help, and I need help in a number of different ways. Number one, I have lovely yard signs.
Yes.
The original design was much blockier and not very attractive, and I'm here in Laguna Beach. Aesthetics matter, right?
Yeah.
So if you have a yard and it needs a little splash of color because your flowers haven't come in yet, please take a yard sign. And in judicial races, yard signs are actually huge because you put a Trump or Hillary or Cruz or Bernie sign in your yard and your neighbors go, eh. But you put a judge sign in your yard and they notice because they don't know the people running for judge, and this is unusual. And they make their own decisions about president and senator and city council and whatever else, but people want guidance on judges because it's a foreign issue to them. So your neighbors know that you're involved, your neighbors know that you're smart, that you pay attention. And so if you put a yard sign for a judge race in your yard, it multiplies throughout your neighborhood and throughout your friends. So that's number one. Number 2, I have a Facebook page. I'm new to this whole Facebook social media thing, so I'm working hard on it. It is facebook.com/Wagner for Judge. It's pretty easy. Wagner, the number 4 judge, or Megan Wagner for OC Judge. Either way, find me and do 2 things. 1, like my page, please. And 2, share my page. I've learned that if you like my page, that makes me feel good because I think, oh, you like me. If you share my page, then your friends know you like me, and that does me much more good. So please like and share my page. And then finally, you've been hopefully all solicited for donations. It's an expensive thing to do to run in a countywide race. There's 1.5 million voters that I have to reach. I cannot talk to all of them, so I need to mail to them. And that is a very expensive endeavor. Don and I, for those of you who don't know my husband, he's Assemblyman Don Wagner, and like Steve said and Larry said, he was privileged to represent Laguna Beach for his first 2 years, and very saddened when it was taken away from him. But Dom and I are both public servants, so we're not, you know, we don't have the money to completely self-fund. So we need help. So if you have, you know, if you have the resources, I'd really appreciate any donation you could give. And I guess with that, I will let you get on to the evening. Enjoy the hors d'oeuvres, enjoy the view, enjoy the company. Thank you all so much for coming. Good night. I always forget. Does anybody have questions? Either shout them out or come find me.